Welcome to our tutorial on how to create and assign students to a support in the New Visions portal. In this video, we will walk through what a support is and how they can help with improving students' performance. A support in the portal is an ongoing activity or service being provided that is aimed at improving student performance. This can include tutoring, workshops, small groups, and extracurriculars. Once you have identified the students you want to assign to a support, you can easily monitor progress for that group of students. Additionally, you may view all supports offered at your school, when they will be offered, and who is in charge of a particular support. There are a few ways you can create a support in the portal. One way is to use the dashboards to identify a group of students. Let's say my school just administered MAP growth and I want to create a support for a small group of students who need extra help on improving their reading based on their most recent scores. By clicking Screeners using the left side navigation, I will be taken to the Screeners dashboard. The first dropdown allows me to view map growth, and by default, I'll see all of my students grouped by their achievement level. The second dropdown allows me to see the different student populations, and the third dropdown, I have the option to select any of the groups of students to narrow who I want to review. We'll scroll down to students who scored low. And now that I see my students who scored low, I can assign them to a support by using the right side navigation and clicking Batch Actions. Once the checkboxes appear next to the student names, I can select all students by clicking the checkbox next to the column header, or I can individually select students by checking off their names. Once you have selected the students you want to assign to a support, you can click Support from the dropdown on the right side navigation and select Assign Support. From the search box, we'll scroll down to create a new support and then enter the support details. First, you'll type the name of your support. So for this example, Map Growth Reading Group E, feel free to give a brief description, which will be improving key ideas, details, and connections. Click Select Tier to select the tier option, and we'll choose Tier 2 Strategic Targeted Intervention. Category will be academic. Subject, based on your support, for this example, ELA. And then choose Next to enter the remaining support details. Choose who will be the lead. This could be any staff member at your school. Choose the frequency for the support, and we'll say custom. Repeats every 2 weeks, repeating on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Start and end term for the school year, term 1, and it will end in term 1. Start and end time for the month, second week of September till the end of December. Start and end time of day will go from 7 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. and then enter the location. Then select Create. Then you can click Assign, and those students will be assigned to that support. Another way to create a support is from the data grid. Using a similar academic example, we want to assign students who need to take the trigonometry regions for graduation to a regions prep support. From the data grid that we access, clicking data grid using the left side navigation, we will click the Regions dropdown under the left side navigation under Portal Views and use the Region Support template. We'll scroll over to Planned Exams Not Supported and filter for trigonometry. Once we've highlighted only these students, we will click Assign Support found in the top toolbar, and just like we entered the support details using the dashboard, we will follow the same steps. Select your desired students, and then choose Assign Support. You can assign them to an existing support or scroll down and create a new support. The last way we will walk through assigning a support is from the student profile. This is most useful when the support has already been created and you want to add an individual student to the support. However, you can also create a brand new support from the student profile. From the student profile that we access by using the student profile option located on the left side navigation from the homepage, or by clicking a student name wherever a student is listed. If we want to do a deep dive on the student's data before assigning them to a support, we can scroll through all of the key data points listed within the profile. Or if we know exactly which support we want to assign them to, we can click supports using the left side navigation and select assign portal support. If we are assigning them to a previously created support, just select the name of that support. But if we are creating a brand new support, scroll all the way down and select create new support and enter the support details. A support in the portal can be used to ensure parent outreach is being conducted for chronically absent students, students failing a course are receiving the tutoring support they need, or in many other ways. For questions or help, use the Calendly link in the video's description. Stay connected by following us on social media for exclusive content, the latest news, and updates on student success. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create and manage a support in the portal by New Visions.